this love at a sunset? Or love that will stay when the night gets cold? If the sky lets the sun set, will you let your head find my shoulder and hold? If the colors all fade and the world turns gray, will you still say my name like that? Is this love at a sunset? Or something that lasts past that? Kids skipped away, someone's old song on a speaker. You tracing the phone, write my name, then erase half the letters. You tell a small truth about how you're scared of forever, but you lean into me like you're testing the weather. You say, this is all we have. Halfway a joke, halfway a plea in disguise. I say, look how long a moment can live in our eyes. Is this love at a sunset? A love that will stay when the night gets cold? If the sky lets the sun set, will you let your head find my shoulder and hold? If the colors all fade and the world turns gray, will you still say my name like that? Is this love at a sunset? Or something that lasts past that? Almost whisper, maybe it's both. We don't have answers, we just have gold. Spilling on water, spilling on skin. If this is the start, let it begin. Is this love at a sunset? Or love that will stay when the night gets cold? If the sky lets the sun set, will you let your head find my shoulder and hold? If the colors all fade and the world turns gray, will you still say my name like that? Is this love at a sunset? Or something that lasts past that? Shades of gold on your collarbone. You trace my name like you already know. Slow laugh, small glass dripping down your wrist. You leaning so close, I forget what time is. This is a slow burn, don't rush it. Let every second find a place on my skin. We're sinking further, further. Just touch it, say what you think. I let smile so small, but it opens the gate. This is a slow burn, don't rush it. Let every second find a place on my skin. We're sinking further, further. Just touch it, say what you're thinking, I'll let you in. Yeah, it's a slow burn, I want it. Taking our time on the edge of a kiss. Hold me a little too long and leave me right here.